Replacing the tube on a Quantura Q10. The same applies for the entire Quantura Q10 range, be it rinse, detergent or the laundry unit. First thing you do is remove the cover by removing the screw at the bottom. Once you have removed the cover, use the tube lubricant that is supplied with the tube. Rip off the tab and liberally spread the lubricant throughout the whole pump race assembly. Don't be shy, use as much lubricant as you want, because the lubricant will significantly increase the lifetime of the tube. Once you've put the lube in place, fit the tube into the slots and feed it through by turning the rotor until you have it all the way through. Once you have it all the way through, you can power up the unit briefly just to ensure that it doesn't stall and runs smoothly. Once you're happy that this is working properly, you can replace the cover and the unit is now ready to have the suction and feed tubes fitted.